The Governorship Election Petition Tribunal sitting in Ado, the Ekiti State capital, will on Thursday deliver its judgment on the matter. Parties involved in the suit confirmed the tribunal communicated the date to them on Wednesday, even as the notice has heightened anxiety in different quarters. The Social Democratic Party governorship candidate, former Governor Segun Oni, had on July 7th filed a petition at the tribunal challenging the declaration of the All Progressives Congress candidate Biodun Oyebanji by the Independent National Electoral Commission as the winner of the election on alleged election rigging by voter inducement and bypass of the bimodal voter accreditation system at some polling stations. The authenticity of the WAEC certificates presented by the deputy governorship candidates of the All Progressives Congress, Monisha De Afuye, among other grounds.